Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to share with you what my morning routine looks like. I do work from home, so I start every morning around 6:50 a.m. and I did film this in real time, so this really is 6:50 when I'm waking up, so you will see I look very tired. And I always keep a hair tie and my glasses right next to my bed, so right when I wake up I can put those on and pull my hair up and go to work. I'll then go into my office and turn on my light, get my computer ready to go, and open the blinds. And then there is no functioning until I have a cup of coffee. After I make my coffee, it's time to get to work. So usually I work in the mornings for about an hour and a half. Today I only had to work for about an hour. Once I'm done working, I will then go in and start my morning routine, wash my face, brush my teeth, put my contacts in, and do my skincare routine. I will link all the skincare products I use in the description box down below if you guys are wondering. After I'm done doing my skincare, I will go make a big glass of water, and then sometimes I can go straight and do my makeup, but today the baby woke up and this was right at about 8 a.m. So if she does wake up, I'll go in, I'll open the blinds, I'll make her fresh chocolate almond milk and turn her on a show, and she will usually let me get ready while she finishes waking up and relaxing. I usually just do my everyday makeup routine, so if you are wondering, I will link that up in the eye in the sky above, and you can go check out my video on how I do that. I try to get ready every single day. It just makes me feel more put together and like I can get more accomplished for the day. On the weekends I don't put makeup on or get ready a lot, but definitely during the week I try to. I'll then head into my bedroom and get dressed, and I'm just wearing my mom uniform, which is a t-shirt and some leggings, and then I will start in on making our bed. my animals are usually needing to go potty and are needing some food, so I will just let the dog out and feed them both. I'll then go into my daughter's room, let some nice sunlight in, and she will start in on picking out her outfit for the day. While I'm in there, I'll go ahead and usually make her bed as well. And put any books up from the night before. And then we make sure and eat a vitamin every morning. And then I'll start in on breakfast. This morning we were both just having scrambled eggs and toast with some homemade jelly. Nothing fancy, but definitely good. After we're done eating, I'll just start in on my morning chores. So I'll just be doing the dishes and wiping down the counters and sweeping. And this morning the floor needed mopped as well, so I went ahead and mopped it, but I don't typically do that every morning anymore. I'll then start in on fixing my daughter's hair. This day we just did a ponytail. And while I am fixing her hair, I have her brush her teeth, and then once I'm done, then it's my turn to brush her teeth the right way. After her hair's all fixed, then I'll just give the floor a quick vacuum. And then after that, it's just playtime. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my morning routine. If you did, please make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below if you're new. I would love to have you here. And if you would like to see any more routine videos, please leave a comment down below letting me know which ones you guys would like to see next. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye!